Hey traders, this is Will, and today, as you guys can see here, I'm looking at Ethereum against the US dollar. Let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum against the US dollar. Let's go ahead and take a look at this bearish channel where we see that prices remain in this bearish channel since the start of June. Looking out here, you can see here, the start of May, as we can see here, and prices pretty much remain in this bearish channel ever since. We can see here that prices tested key resistance multiple times, and as well as key support multiple times as well, but we only saw price really tested this key resistance about 4 days ago, where we saw price, as you can see here, had a massive move to the upside, where we saw price move from 430 all the way up to 515 against the US dollar. And of course we see here that price managed to go through this key resistance as well as this key resistance, but we see here that price basically rejected this key resistance for now, and since then we saw that price has a massive diff, pushing all the way down to this key support right here. After testing key support today, we can see here that price has managed to rebound pretty impressively, and we can see here that price will soon approach this key resistance, guys, and we'll see how that goes. In my opinion, we could see price moving towards, basically had experienced a bullish breakout from this key resistance and potentially moved to this key resistance right here, guys. And of course, the reason why I think this is important is the fact that we could see that price could be exiting this bearish channel, which it has been in since May, and enter into a short-term bullish channel, as you can see here. You can see here price has responded really well in terms of this channel that is occurring right now. Nevertheless, guys, we can also see price also fall back down and test this key support, and potentially we could also see a bearish breakout to the downside. Nevertheless, guys, I think Ethereum is in a very interesting zone right now, as we could see, as I mentioned earlier, the exit from this bearish channel into a short-term bullish channel. Now looking at Ethereum against the Bitcoin, I like this ratio a lot because it has pretty much predicted every single bullish run of Ethereum since its inception, as you can see here, in July 2017. And you can see here that prices pretty much remain in this bullish channel ever since. And of course we see this massive highs, of course, illustrating how the crypto market pretty much went overhead of itself, just pretty much way beyond itself during this time in the boom, as we can see here. And the fact is that I like to point out that we can see that price, there is still room for the ratio to fall even further. So we can see here the ratio potentially fall all the way down to this key support here. And if prices manage to fall to this key support here, that might be a great opportunity for those of you traders or investors looking to hold Ethereum long term. Of course, that would, in my opinion, that would be extremely attractive to hold Ethereum or convert your Bitcoin holdings to Ethereum. Anyway, guys, if you guys do find this video useful, please give us a thumbs up, and of course subscribe for more analysis and trading and ideas.